Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another full face of makeup from TJ Maxx. Some products I have not used before that I want to test out. Other products I've had maybe for a while, I've only used a couple times, and others I felt like using today. So if you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. So first I'm using the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer, Visible Undercover Primer. And I've used this maybe once before, but I don't remember how I feel about it. So we are going to use that. And I probably look super tired right now because I did drive home yesterday from Charleston from a bachelorette party, and I was gone all week. And it was a 7-hour drive-ish, so I am pretty exhausted. And if you did not notice, I did not go to TJ Maxx all week, so there was not a TJ Maxx video yesterday. Or not yesterday. Well, it is yesterday because today is Monday, but when this goes up, it would be Sunday. So I didn't go to the store at all while I was away, which is totally fine. I will go this week, and there will be a video up on Sunday, but I am super, super tired, so that is why I probably look really tired. I am using the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, which I have not used yet. I have the shade 2.4NO, so we'll see if this is good for me. So you do pump it out like that, and you are supposed to use a beauty blender, which mine is not wet, so I might just have to blend it in with a brush after this. Actually, that color might be pretty perfect, actually. I love when brands make an olive-toned foundation shade because that's me. It's not cool, it's not warm, it's olive-toned. My skin looks green. Okay, that is one layer with the sponge, a dry sponge. And I do like that. I think that is a good color for me. It's pretty perfect. So I'm going to do the other side with a brush. So I'm just using the IT Cosmetics, what is this, Airbrush 101 brush. And I'm using that on the other side. See, this foundation is like slightly warm toned, but not too yellow. Okay, that is with a brush. I think I do like the sponge side better. I feel like this side is kind of just sitting on top of my skin. It looks okay. Definitely not my favorite, but I don't hate it. The only thing I don't like about this packaging is that this is now a mess. So I feel like I'm going to have to like clean that every time I use this. Okay, lock that up. I don't have a no concealer. Well, I do have the Marc Jacobs Cafe foundation and concealer, but I didn't go to the store, so I did not find a new shade. So I don't want to use that yet, just in case I find a different one. So I'm just going to use the Milk Makeup concealer that I have, the Flex Concealer in Light Sand, which is definitely not a very light shade, but it'll work for now. Of course, the sky just got really, really dark, and it looks like it's about to rain. Perfect timing. Then I'm just going to use the Marc Jacobs powder to set my face. I think this was in one of my Shop My Stashes, maybe the last one. So I do like this. I don't really like the packaging, but I like the powder itself. For brows, I'm just going to use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil that I did get from TJ Maxx. I actually forgot I got this from TJ Maxx. Just going to fill them in a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Good enough. Next, I'm going to use the Nars Exposed Cheek Palette, this one with the packaging that I love. So the bronzer is actually not my favorite, but I'm just going to use this whole palette because I don't have any new products from TJ Maxx to try. Get my hair out of my way. I really feel like I'm like half asleep right now. But I had a lot of fun, so that's what matters. I'm going to continue to use this palette. I don't really want to use this right now, so I'm going to use probably the middle shade. I'm going to use more of a dense brush for this formula. Goodness, this wind is blowing hard today. Also, it is later than usual than I normally film, but I couldn't film what I normally do today, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. And there is only one highlighter in this palette, so this is the one I'm using. I do like this highlight. Oop, that was too much. There's more glitter than I would like, but I still think it's pretty. Okay, I went a little hard with the highlight. It's okay. We're just playing around. Next is eyes, and that is what I'm excited about. This is the Daydream palette from Car Beauty, and I got this recently. Look how pretty that palette is. It matches my shirt, hence why I wore this. It's very like safari-esque, so that is what we are going to use right now. So let's zoom you guys in. Okay, so I'm just going to play around. Just going to put the shade Tomorrow in my crease. Let's do the other eye because I'm sitting weird. So let's do that one. Kind of moved around my setup. Well, not really. I kind of kicked my light with the camera on it. So it's a little bit off than what it normally is. So that's why I'm like sitting sideways and I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I really want to use the greens in here, so we're just gonna use all of them. Using the lightest green, put that in my crease. I don't know why I put that beige down. I don't know what I'm doing. This kind of has a slight shimmer in the pan. I don't think it's really coming off on the eye. Okay, moving down. These are very different shades of green. So this might kind of look weird because this one is definitely more of a yellow green than the other one, but I still want to use them. Whoa. I don't know how I feel about that color. I don't know if it's blending the other shade out or what. Oh, there you can kind of see the shimmer in the other green. So maybe I shouldn't have done that. Okay, darkest green. We are just flying through this. Just wanted to quickly use this. I know a couple people asked for this once I showed that I bought this palette, so I just want to show you guys how it applied. I do like these shades. I think they are applying really nicely actually. And a little bit more to the outer corner. And I'm going to add the darkest green to my lower lash line actually. And then I'm going to use the kind of greenish shimmer. And I'm going to put that on my lid. That's a gorgeous color. There is this gold shade too. I kind of want to use that, but I don't know what to do with it. Maybe I'll just pop it right in the middle. See if it even shows up. Kind of. Maybe I'll put that gold one on the inner corner just for some fun color. Okay, let's do the other eye. Both eyes are done. Now to mascara, I'm just going to use the MAC Extend and Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. I've used this before and I like it. I feel like I have other mascara that I haven't opened yet, but I have too many open right now. This is seriously like the perfect lower lash line of mascara. But it still works for the top lid as well. What the heck? I just had a rogue eyelash. Got it. There we go. To finish it up, I'm going to put on one of the Becca lipsticks. This is in the shade Sugar. And I actually brought this on my trip with me and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to throw that on now. It is such a pretty shade. It's like my perfect nude. It's not really pinky toned. It's a little bit brown toned, but it's light enough. So gorgeous. Zooming you out so you're not just like right in my face. So that is the final look. Kind of. No, I guess we can use setting spray. Let's use the Smashbox setting spray, which I actually got in a BoxyCharm, but it was at TJ Maxx. Now I'm all done. I do like the finish of the foundation. I think my skin looks good right now. It's pretty late, so I don't know how long I'm going to keep this makeup on, but I will keep you updated. I really like this Daydream palette. I love green shades. I love olive tones, so that was gorgeous. And I think it works well with my skin tone, so of course I'm going to like those colors. And then this Becca lipstick is just so good. Let me know if you got any of these products from TJ Maxx, if you have tried them out. I'm excited to go back to the stores this week. Feels weird not going to the store at all, so I will be going in this week and seeing if they have anything new, and you will see that in my video on Sunday. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.